What up, guys? LocsNLoadFirearms Reviews here today. So we are at the range, and so today we're going to be getting some range time in with my new optic on my 43X MOS, which is the MON-SUN 407K X2. All right, so this is my concealed carry package. I'm gonna do a video detailing everything on it. It's not too much, but I'll do a video later on it. So what we're doing today, let me get that. All right, so what we're doing today is getting a little bit more familiar with the red dot. And so I'm at 20 yards. And so I zeroed my red dot around, I think 7 yards, right? It's like a good happy medium. And no, when I did zero my red dot, I hit the plate rack from 15 yards, knocked them all down, walked up a few yards from like 10 yards and put one round on the paper where I aimed and it hit. So I was like, all right, that's cool for one day. But I want to do a more refined test on my optic and my zero. So we're here at the range. We just got some ammo and I got the plate rack down there. So just a quick warm up. And also got my T-Rex arms holster. And so I'm gonna be coming out of concealment. These are the Glock OEM mags. I do have the Shield R mags. Those are my concealed carry mags, so I don't really use those for training. I use the Glock mags. Saves wear and tear on my concealed carry mags. I want them to work when I need them to, so I don't want to be too beat up. All right. I gotta make this quick. I still gotta go to work today. All right. So we got our MON-SUN 507K. Dot's bright enough for the day. What I like about the red dot is now instead of like having to pull the racket, I can just take my hand and just do it like that. So much easier. It's funner too. All right. So we're going to come out of concealment and try to put one round on each plate. Matter of fact, let me move this. All right, so we got the cord out of the way and one round on a steel target. I'm not gonna lie, it's hard not to smile. I would miss the last one. All right, so we're gonna reset. And we got 6 targets. So I'm gonna do 6 rounds. Let's see if I can put each round on the target. See, I hit it, but it didn't fall. All right, let's see if we can do it one-handed. All right, I'm hitting it, it's just not falling. It's an old piece of steel. Okay, see, now it fell, right? All right, so the red dot seems to be on. So what I want to do is from 20 yards, I got my Optics Planet target downrange, and I'm gonna fire 3 rounds and see where it hits. I'm gonna try to aim at the number 1. Of course, gotta show my hits. So, from 20 yards away, aiming at dead center at the number 1. Again, I'm still getting used to the red dot, so my dot was kind of shaking and moving around. But as you can see, that's still 3 shots at dead center in your chest at 20 yards. All right, it's not bad. So what I'm gonna do is pause the video. We're gonna move up close and do some rapid fire from concealment up close. All right, welcome back. So here we are. What I'm gonna do is, what I really wanna do, I'm gonna load up both mags, 10 rounds each. And I wanna do just a little bit of cadence drill, which is like where you fire, let's say like 3 rounds in a row, and you try to keep the same rhythm. Boom, 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 right? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Right, working that trigger control, recoil management, how you catch your sight picture for those follow-up shots. So just want to do a little bit of that. Not gonna do 2 full mags. I'm gonna put a few more rounds and 1 more, that'd be good. This is gonna be my spare mag. It's not gonna be super fast reload because I don't have mag props for it. And the, ooh, how'd that get in there? All right. All right, so I'm just gonna do, for round count consideration, I'm just gonna do a 3-round cadence drill. So come out the holster, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. So, and this is a new gun for me, so this is actually gonna be practice for me, so it's not gonna be perfect. It's not, well, I mean, you want it to be, but again, it's not gonna be looking perfect, so we'll see how I do. No. Alright, so all my rounds right here. I mean, we're not far, so you know it should be like that, especially if you're a instructor. All right, so not bad. When I do come out that fast, I honestly do not see the red dot at all. I'm really just kind of seeing the target through the window and point shooting. So the red dot doesn't mean too much. I mean, it does kind of help to have a window where I guess you can just aim through the window. Like you put their chest in the window, you know you're gonna hit them in the chest, right? So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just, because I'm not seeing the red dot that fast to, you know. But again, like I said, this is my first time really doing this with the pistol, so over time, who knows, I might get better with it. So what I want to do now, I keep dropping the ammo. Yeah. Let's see. I just want to see how accurate I can be with this red dot. Take my time trying to put one round in each circle. So yeah, see if I can do that for y'all. All right. Almost. Not gonna lie, this little pistol getting a little warm. You know what I mean? No. Well, so I was able to do it. The only thing I just had to remember when I was getting to those smaller targets was that my zero was further back. So, you know, I had to do a little bit of sight over bore. So that's just the thing to remember for myself, you know, sight over bore on these red dot pistols. So I like it. Get a little package. Like I said, I'll do a different video later on how I got it set up and what I got and why I got it. But I just want to do a quick video on me practicing my red dot and, you know, seeing how it is. Like I said, red dots are the future. You know, for the longest I was against them, but you know, it's kind of like cheating. After years of using iron sights and you go to red dot, learn how to use it, it's like cheating, you know. Like a lot of times, like with those steel targets, like I didn't have to really put the red dot on the steel. If it fills the window, you know, I just pulled the trigger and it fell. So like again, with these self-defense drills up close, if I can get you in the window of my optic, you know, I already know I'm gonna hit you center mass, right? So just window, boom, 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 window, boom, 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 boom. Doesn't even matter if the dot's like up or down, or really, because you know you're so close that you're still gonna hit them center mass. So, right now I'm like, this is really one of my favorite handguns. It's so small, so powerful. 16 rounds in this little gun. So, like I said, video coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the video. Stay dangerous, stay trained. LocsNLoad out.